Hello friends, today you will learn to solve the general issues of Windows 10 user in HP laptop. Many users are frequently facing such issues and they hard to get any solutions from the internet. So today I would like to share some steps here. It might be helpful for everybody to solve and fix for Windows 10 laptop power light stays on after shutdown. Let's start. In the Windows search bar just type power settings. You will see the power and sleep settings. Just select and click the power and sleep settings. Now you can see the power and sleep settings windows where you will have to select below the related power setting, the additional power settings. The Windows shows power plan of the system. At the left side of the window select the choose what the power button do option. You can now see the details of power settings. You have to choose and select change settings that are currently unavailable. Below the shutting down setting you can see the option turn on fast startup, recommended. Just select the option and check it to on position. Then save the changes and go back by closing all the opened windows and shut down your laptop. You can see the power lights immediately off after shutdown. Your problem is solved now. Thanks for watching this tutorial on my Digital Friend channel. Thank you once again. Bye bye. Take care.